So that's one tip I want to leave with you today. When you're trading in the range, wait for a level to be made like this. Structure was broken, retested, and then we had a long, as opposed to getting in at the bottom of the range. Welcome back to the channel, people. It's Josh Billions with JB Trading. I'm going to start off this video, as you can see by the title and the thumbnail, with this GBP trade that we took. I think it was last week, not this last trading week that's gone, but the week before that. Great trade that we held for about we got in, I think Thursday was out Friday, so less than a day was in for. It was a great trade. I'll show you the before, the after, and the during. Obviously I sent it through my group, so if you want to see how I trade and learn how I trade and stuff, then join the group, hit the link in the bio, join. But yeah, without further ado, let's just get straight into it. From the messages I've been getting, I know a lot of viewers are still struggling with their trading. If you want to talk to me about trading, become a profitable trader, learn how to pass funded challenges and get payouts, click the link in the bio to join the Discord community. Make sure to use the code billionaire for 50% off your first 2 months. So, as you can see in here, this is where I sent the before, so I'll send this to my group. I was saying, okay, GBP is a range play. As you can see, it was ranging. I want to see simply a break above this black line of resistance. See a break above that, a retest. If price can hold above there, I want to see a retest of this level, rejection, then obviously long it to the top of the range. Here again, I was saying the same thing. I wanted to see that. Obviously, you can see it developing more from here. Started rejecting the lows of the range, then it started pushing up, and then we finally broke above. And also you can see the days I took the screenshot, so you know this ain't like, I'm not lying on that. It's October 31st, you can see there. Then you can see November 1st, and then November 2nd when we broke above finally. And then obviously I wanted to see the retest. We got the retest, and then that was where we got our entry on the 1 hour. I always enter off the 1 hour. All my analysis on the 4 hour, then we enter off the 1 hour. Got a retest and we got the entry. And then there was news on Friday. One thing about me, I don't care about news. I trade through news anyway, but I'm aware of it. And obviously that price just rocketed up and we hit our target. So that was a great trade. Had about 2 positions in that, and in total took about 4R. So that was a great trade there. So let's take you now. Obviously in the group here, you can see here's like my befores, what I wanted to see, and then the after the trade. So that was great. So let me just show you and break down exactly what I saw on GBP, like from a clean chart, so everyone who doesn't know can get a better understanding. So let's just go straight into it. Price is looking like this, yeah. And then let's just draw my tool back on. We had the highs of the range here. It was looking like that. We had highs of the range there, lows of the range here. And then obviously I saw price was just tapping these levels and respecting these levels, so I knew price was in the range. We saw price, let's just add ellipse tool. So we had a tap here, we had a tap there. So all of these taps are showing me price is respecting this level, yeah. And I don't really usually like draw all these circles on to show that price is tapping. I can see it by eye, but obviously me drawing this on is going to help you lot see why I took this trade and everything, because of how much these levels are being respected. So boom, as you can see, price is ranging in here. We're tapping multiple times, and even if you want to talk about here, price didn't really respect these levels, so I see this as a breakout, a fake out. So I would just have a nice X on there, because this price action doesn't really matter to me. Price broke, didn't hold, and it immediately came back. So as you can see, broke here, immediately came back, and then retested and respected this level of support of the range, and then continued up. Same thing here, faked out to the upside, and then immediately came back and came to the bottom of the range, and then we supported it here, respected it, and respected it here. You can also add the fake out there, then we respected it here, respected it here. So we already established that we're in a range, yeah. Then what we wanted to see was, like I teach in my group and people that are in my group, when there's a range, there's always levels made within a range. So I don't always want to enter, when price is ranging, I don't want to enter at support, because a lot of the time you can get faked out. So look at what happens at support. You're getting a lot of wicks, a lot of wicky price action at these levels of support. So you're seeing price hit, came, wicked it. So I'm not looking for a rejection of here, because I know there's a lot of wicky price action at support. And more of the time you can be right, but then you're going to get stopped out. So you don't want to get stopped out, even especially when you're right. So you always want to wait for levels to be made. And with levels being made, I'm talking about like a level being made and then structure broken. And here's what you're going to see by what I mean. So if I just use this tool, you can see from the price hitting the top of this range here. So this is what price is doing. Let me just show you even here. Price is obviously doing this. Yeah. We're at the bottom of the range now. And as you can see, price has come up, come to the bottom of the range, wicked all these people here that try to buy or whatever. Just a lot of manipulation at the support of the range. That's why I don't enter there. I wait for a level to be made. As you can see, this level has been made here. Yeah, we've had structure there and we've broken above it with that candle. Came back to retest this level here, and then from here is where we get our buy, and then boom, long it to the top of the range here. So simple as that. So when I'm talking about when price is ranging, levels being made, this is exactly what I'm talking about. This level was made here. That was our area of interest. Area of interest is literally just the price you're looking for price to come back to, which is a support and resistance level, because I just trade support and resistance breakouts. So we've had the breakout, we had the retest. So we're looking for this level to be retested. Price obviously retested, got in on a 1 hour. And then we held it up into the resistance highs up here. And obviously, as you saw from the screenshot, TP was hit and we met our 4R. So that's one tip I want to leave with you today. When you're trading in the range, wait for a level to be made like this. Structure was broken, retested, and then we had a long, as opposed to getting in at the bottom of the range, because that's where a lot of wicky price action has happened. And obviously fake outs as well, like here. So you want to wait for a level to be made, breakout, retest, and then look to long it from there. So yeah, I'll show you the profits on the screen now, and that's about it. Hope you enjoyed this video. I'll be back with another one. That's it from me.
Little baby lit, I'ma take her home. Parents on tip, the other road. Look, we done grow.
From the messages I've been getting, I know a lot of viewers are still struggling with their trading. If you want to talk to me about trading, become a profitable trader, learn how to pass funded challenges and get payouts, click the link in the bio to join the Discord community. Make sure to use the code billionaire for 50% off your first 2 months.